This is what $16.75 million gets you in Beverly Hills. This powder room has backlit onyx stone. I mean, this might be a little extra. I wouldn't complain though. Dual-sided fireplace. We've got a jellyfish on the TV. We have 2 islands in this kitchen. Even on a rainy day, these views are amazing. What is this, Miami? Covered patio, outdoor dining. You have your own pizza oven. It has never been used. Maybe we should bring a pizza over here. I'll shoot you the Addy. Now we have the basement down here. Is this shuffleboard or bowling? Let's see if I can knock one down. The heck? Need some sand on this. Here's your home movie theater. They even got a blanket for me. I'll just be right here watching my waterfall on the screen. It's raining on the TV. It's raining outside. I guess it matches the vibe. This backsplash is making me feel like I'm in a luxury cave right now. Look at this fridge. Come here. Fingers crossed they got drinks in this one. Oh, no drinks, but Skittles. I'd be a little stale. I'll avoid that. Was I just blind to these machines right here? No wonder they had the Skittles in the fridge. 25 cents? You really are living in the good old days over here. Here's our glass enclosed gym. Glass door to enter your sauna. The primary bedroom isn't even a bedroom. Feels like we entered a separate house. The ocean is glowing right now. All right, now this closet's gotta be bigger than your apartment. You can also just make this an office room. Spin 10 times and let's redo this house tour. Of course, they got a Ferrari soccer ball. We've got the fireplace on. Every rooftop needs to be fully turfed. How many fridges did we see in this house? It's gotta be like 6 or 7, and none of them have drinks. Maybe next year.